Is it true na hiwalay na talaga ang Blackman family? Parang hindi pa nagsisink in sa isipan ko kung talagang totoo ba ito. Kahapon napanood ko si Geraldine na sabi, they will be co-parenting their children. Akala ko prank lang, tinapos ko hanggang dulo. Pero wala akong narinig na prank. Then, this morning I saw this again on TikTok na nag-post pala si Josh on Tinder since December 22, 2024. So, does it mean na ito ang dahilan ng kanilang separation, guys? I hope not. So, let's see. What's next? Geraldine made the tearful announcement yesterday on TikTok. I saw her in their account saying they remain friends and will co-parent their kids, Jet and Nemo. Pero hindi pa talaga nagsisink in sa aking isipan, guys. I hope maayos nila itong kanilang sikalot sa buhay, or else isang family na naman ang masisira. So yun lang, guys.